The smaller ones are tastier. 사랑해. It's good.
It's good.
Organic garlic, okay? Dancing frog. So many actings. I think this is stingy bin 6. Oh no, it's not. Hey!
Oh no, it's not. Hey!
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is very exciting because my mom courier so many things from hometown, so let's watch the video. And before I do so, here are the items. I couldn't place it on the table because I was in a hurry and I'm so excited to open every one of them, so let's just go ahead. First, I have the kidney beans here with me. Kidney beans are one day he maybe 2 kilos or more, I don't know. And this is the beans, just beans. And this is seasonal mushroom, okay, dried mushroom. Trag mixa hain here sin varbashi jila laka kasadek sagajar varbashi layang laka kido ari khanai bashi jila account ne traveling chenga nai the chipungalo chipungala kaina azira. And this is okay, dried king chili. And this is kaiko. Oh no. Okay, this is jungle core. Jungle core. See the insect, like they say ching ching ching. I don't know. You try by the other here. I can eat this. Okay, this is the first time in my life trying this. Oh, I feel ready.
Nhiều trái lắc đâu trên này. Không mua lường cả.
It's good.
It's good.
It's good. Kind of good. Trái lắc là mình biết first time try thân. Rồi đi bấm sao mới try mấy cái gì phun cay để try nhiều. Alright, then what is this? This is eggplant. I couldn't chew it. Alright, here. Kokta khani lang right up. Thank you, Molly. Yum with garlic. Organic garlic, okay? In our village, we used to celebrate this garlic festival. So, basically, our village is rich in garlic. Basilico. I don't know, this is some dried leaves. Wild dried vegetables. What is this? Yeah, ramu. Hello. This is also jungle choir. Shall I try more? You know, this jungle core, the smaller ones are tastier because they are rich in fresh muscles. What is this? Okay, I think this is stingy beans, dried stingy beans. Yongchak akal. So many. What are this? Plastic la TV. Are you don't chana where plastic is on the go. They share on the. Bây giờ mấy cái cho về sai về. Chana không bao nhiêu. Kilo anna bashu akau bashina var kau de na jang maybe this mushroom might be shiitake mushroom, not the seasonal one. And what is this? Chorilo. I don't know. Just no. Hila, where am I there? I don't know. I'll just try on sla. No, it's not eatable. Mug hung my there.
It's not edible. Try it.
Không xe bay nè. Vai à con nè. Con mug hung rồi mấy em xe bay rồi.
Zing right there. Zing kind này chứ.
Wait. This is also I think dried mushroom. I think this one's already cooked.
This is less over here. Same place less on all our man. Han now I say shabu.
Mua dịch này thì khi mâm chụp thừa cái ai sao vui mấy hay thế.
Zing right there.
Cái zing rồi thì mâm cấu bèm để ê bố bố. Cái zing rồi thì mâm cấu bèm để mấy lì lấy sao cái hay lì đấy. Và lặng để chúng ta xong. Okay, this is mushroom again.
Chur
More for where? Cái vài bao nhiêu con trai thấu
Zing
nha.
vào này.
Mình vài lại, chèn lại, mình nói lại.
I tasted already.
Hả?
Chứ đâu không chơi đầu tiên làm được chơi mà. Không làm nè, năm gì. Chơi như vài rồi chơi người chơi nữa.
Này thì ăn lắm đi. Okay, this is also mushroom. Mushroom. Arijam in a shakari bashi. Dried mushroom. Club now I keep it. Don't chop at home. Go my day. I think this is stingy beans dried stingy beans seeds. Oh no, it's not. Hey!
Oh no, it's not. Hey!
Cái suy.
Thì là try ra anh thấy cái gì? Thì lặng năm kia
Do
quá
you guys
xíu.
see this? Like insects. So many insects. I don't know in English, but this is kind of smelly and
There's still
Mate.
smell.
Huh?
อยากรับเพนซัตเฟอร์
No, I'm not eating
ใช่
this.
ใช่เหรอ
I don't want to eat this.
I just like
No,
this
I,
ชอบทำอะไร
I ate too many things. I might get food poison as well.
What's this?
아야, 나 비우고비 좀 먹어야지 뭐.
Hello.
Ich habe in Ata, you know, I think month of December, we give the seeds and my mom grow it. Like this is homegrown cabbages. Oh, so many. No, that's yours. Here, there's the cabbage. This is all organic. So it might look small, but this is organic, so it'll be very tasty. What is this? I don't know this name.
เอาเรียกชันดิปังเสื่อมกว่าเลย
So many frogs. Oh my gosh. A dancing frog. So many actings. Different actings.
ฮินาเจ้ากิเลียไม่เคยกับมึง
Different actings. I think, since this is seasonal, I think my dad catches it during nighttime because I remember, we used to catch frogs at nighttime. A lot, okay? Look at this Kai food. But sadly, I don't eat Kai food. This is black pepper, dried black pepper. Nice one. So many items. What do we call this? Kanawar-bashiji. I don't know how do we call this in English, but this is also kind of mushroom. Fungus. It's very slippery. What else? Jera kangarwe. Kangarwe the wolf. So these are all like pure organic vegetables. Alright. These are organic vegetables. This is cilantro and mustard leaves. And I think this is broccoli, but it's not that good anymore. Started to, rot. This is plastic in the wrong mind. There's not later what you actually have. Fresh, that's how I can try to right? Still then, it will good. Yeah, I mean, it will taste good. Hi, Baba. No, I'm not done yet. You will check it. I say saka. More dog hair. 이름들이 what to that way? More to bear. But we'll just burn it in the flame and we'll just cock and 그래서 잘 bear yeah 이번에. And what is this? I think these are some vegetables. I know this one. Yes, hanjam. These are hanjam. And it's still fresh because my mom wrapped this one properly. Forget about the others, but my mom wrapped these things up very nicely. And look at it, it's still fresh. See hanjam, yeah? Kind of. And okay. These are mint and fish mint mixed together. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, I still have the fish. Right, ramway kai. Shavana hunger here. I'm not tasting this one because my hands are dirty right now. Okay, I'll lift this one here. Last but not the least, we have the kimchi here. Okay, that's it. Oh, then we should love it. Just should love us. Not last. We still have fresh bamboo shoot here. 4 pieces. China, I forgot the main thing. Đây lấy thấy ba chị lấy lịch var bol ba chị sao cái alung này cái dịch răng đây à? So this is the one. Mom fried it. Nghe xin nghe rồi ba chị nó thì xem bao đó. 방금 가와이 다 잘돼요. So good. I think I'm having this mushroom after more than like 7 years. And I still haven't forgot the taste. So good. Alright, so that's it guys. I wanted to share with you all, but unfortunately I can't. So, above all, thank you so much mom, my parents, and my 2 sisters for helping mom with the packing. And my youngest sister, she go to the jungle with my mom collecting this wild mushroom. So I really can't thank them enough. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching the video until the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye.